Hello everyone, welcome to another science lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be studying the second part of our electricity lesson. We were looking at mains electricity and battery or cells electricity. Today's objectives are, first of all, to be able to describe mains electricity and electricity from cells or batteries. To identify which appliances use either mains electricity or battery power. And finally, what the differences are between these two sources of electrical energy. Before we dive into the lesson, let's recap some of the main ideas in the previous lesson. First of all, we said electricity is a form of energy. We also said electricity helps us to do many things and make them easier. Finally, we said electrical and electronic appliances change electricity into very useful energies for our various work and need. Alright then, how does electricity come into our homes? When we see sockets on the walls of our homes, we know we have electrical power available so that we can plug in and see them at work. Also, we know that when we can plug in electricity should be coming from somewhere other than our houses. Now, in many countries, they have electric power stations that power up electricity. In Ghana, for example, we have the Akosombo Dam. The Akosombo Dam is the power station that produces electricity for Ghana. And many other nations use different technologies to produce electricity. Now, because we use water, the power force from the water is able to turn turbines and generate electricity for the country. The electricity then is carried through power lines. These power lines carry electricity from the power stations all the way to our homes. And when they get to our homes, we are able to plug in our TVs and watch television and use other appliances as well. Now, here are some of the appliances that may use mains electricity in the home or at school. We have television, the washing machine, and the fridge. There are so many others, and I think you can give me some more. However, not every gadget at home or in school uses mains electricity. Some of these items include phones, laptops, watches, flashlights, and even cars. Cars have batteries inbuilt in them or placed in them so they can start and power up their lights and other electrical parts of the car. Now, what's the difference between mains electricity and batteries or cells? First of all, mains electricity is usually for machines or appliances that need more energy, so batteries are given to gadgets or devices that need lower energy. Secondly, battery power usually inserted into the device itself. But mains power is usually plugged in at the wall. Finally, what this means is that the use of battery power are for things that are meant to be moved around like phones, watches, etc. And main power are for things that are supposed to stay in one place like washing machines and televisions. Let's recap today's lesson. Electricity that comes to our homes from the power company or from power station is called the mains electricity. It is usually connected to sockets on the walls. Batteries also produce electricity. They may be used to support gadgets which need low power or have to be moved around. This brings us to the end of today's science lesson. Be sure to start the video again so you will understand the concepts taught in this lesson very well. Alright. Also, do well to check the learner's guide that accompanies this video for your instructions and activities for the lesson and exercises. Have a great day.